Today we're going to show you what comes in the box when you get your Diono Radian 3QXT home. Now that you've got your Radian 3QXT out of the box, I'm going to show you all the parts that come with it and how you use it. First of all, there's an instruction manual. Don't forget to read this. It contains information about how you should install your Diono Radian 3QXT in your car and how to register your product online at diono.com. Next, this is the Diono SafePlus rear-facing wedge. Diono believes in rear-facing travel for your children as long as possible, ideally up to 50 pounds. You install this on the front of your car seat for rear-facing, and this makes sure that your child rides at the perfect angle for as long as they're rear-facing. This is the Diono SafePlus anti-rebound bar. This clips on to this part of the seat here and is designed to protect your child in the event of a collision. This is the SafePlus newborn support insert. You can see that this insert is super soft but also very, very supportive. An important safety feature when it comes to side impact protection. This is the 2-in-1 infant support liner. It comes with a head support for a very young baby, which you can remove as your child gets older and uses the adjustable headrest. It also is including the Diono SafePlus newborn wedge, which makes sure for a very young baby the ride height is absolutely perfect rear facing. The 3QXT comes with 2 sets of chest pads. The smaller chest pads are for a young baby and designed to be used just above the chest clip. You also get Diono's bigger chest pads, which are used for an older child. There's the harness pad. Don't forget that it's important to use both of these because not only are they comfortable for your child, they're an important safety feature of the Diono Radian 3QXT. This is the SafePlus Side Impact Management Pod. You get one of these in the box and it fits either here or here on the side of your car seat closest to the door. And finally, this is the cup holder. We've got one shown here on the seat, but also you can fit it on this side and more are available online if you want an extra one. I hope you've enjoyed learning about what's in the box with your Diono Radian 3QXT and where it's used on the seat. Don't forget to check out all of our installation videos online. And if you do need any extra help, please call our customer services team who will be happy to guide you through any of the questions that you have. Thank you and enjoy the ride with Diono.